We got a cop behind us, FYI. He did not fit under that bridge. Jeez. What's going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Today is a beautiful day. It's like 63 degrees out here. I just got a call from my buddy Brandon. He's the one with the Ninja 400 if you watched any of the earlier videos. But he's not too far away from me, like 50 minutes away, so we're driving right now to meet up with him, just grab some food, ride around a bit. I haven't ridden with him in ages, so super excited. Ops are out. Oh jeez, he did not fit under that bridge. Jeez. Damn. Oh yeah, she sounds good. Yeah guys, not really recording a ton on the way here. It's pretty boring, just a lot of traffic because it's rush hour. But I am really excited to show Brandon my wheelies now. So we've never ridden together since I've had the CRF250L. So I'm excited to show him some of my wheelie skills that I've slowly progressed on learning. So that'll be cool. I want to try to get him to get third person view of that too. So like, he's got a GoPro that he's wearing, so hopefully we can get some of that footage, get some sweet stuff. Some nice roads. Oh yeah. Nice and curvy. Alright guys, we've managed to go a long time with no wheelies, so reckon now is the time to do one, right? Alright, not bad for the first one of the day. They'll get better, I promise. Again, I bet you're doing some crazy drifts in that front wheel drive Toyota Corolla. Ken Block in the building. Woo! There he is. What's up? How we doing? What's good? This old turd, dude. She's ready to blow any moment. All right, meal all done. Ready to roll? Damn, dude, pull up. Let's see it. Damn. Who's louder, you think? Off the rev limiter. That was my first time I've ever redlined this bike. Yeah, TST gang, right. You got the Leo Vince, huh? This? Yeah, it's a helmet lock. Yeah, it's nice. I've literally used it maybe once in my life. Oh yeah. The green looks so good, dude, on the wheels. Jump it! We got a cop behind us, FYI. Want to keep going or stop here? Pretend like we're historians. Look, I know I'm top 5. This gon' make the block ride. Caught him on the back. First one of the day. Yeah. Think he saw my wheelie? Oh yeah, just a park ranger. Loves to follow us. Oh! I want to see a wheelie out of you. On your left. Ah, we're just vibing, bro. We're riding. I'm gonna find some little roads, maybe to do some wheel skis on. That's pretty sick. Look at the waterfall, the sewage waterfall. We can do some more. I was recording though. This video has been just completely lacking in wheelies. What a nice little neighborhood. And when on the fit in, you be telling them who did it. I be going crazy with it, I should be committed. I know that they jacking me, they never gonna admit it. I'm fired up. How's it gonna time than ever? We winning. I got more bars than a life sentence. Y'all got bars with the ones you not penning. Take it as a diss if you listen and offended. Yeah, that's the all if you offended. Jay invented swag and the swag I reinvented. Acting like you fly, but you just a flight attendant. Me, I am the pilot. Shout out to you. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad, right? Does it look as sick as it feels? I feel so badass doing it. Is that a airplane? Why is there an airplane? What the f? Is that like a school? Sheesh, bro, your bike looks good though. It looks so damn clean. Alrighty. On the right. I didn't want to get too close to you. I don't trust myself that much yet. What's up? I know, I do the same shit. I get just as tweaked about the caps. Oh, that looks like a fun wheelie road. Oh, that looks fun too. Oh, this is a little beautiful area here. Nice job, Connor, am I right? Oh! Look at all the cows. Are those cows? What are they? Whoa! Oh, big. That's a lot of cows. Look at this bamboo forest. Dude, I feel like we're in Thailand right now. Whee! Oh, what the f was that shit? Don't you random shit too? Or are you throwing shit back at me? You're flicking the gravel up. Dude, I would love to absolutely shred that field. Do you know the temptation I have to go just destroy that lawn? Do you know the temptation that is there? It's unreal. Dude, if only you had a dirt bike, we would be out there right now. Doo-doo-doo. Dude, if I get supermoto wheels for this too, front brakes, nice big rotor, that would be cool, don't you think? So it's getting dark out here. We're about to head back. Well, head back our respective ways. I'm going south. Brandon is going north. Really? If you're telling me, bro, I'm riding on the dirt bike. Come on now. All right, bro, it was real.
Yeah.
Any parting words to the vlog?
Till another time.
Till then. All right, later, bro. Ride safe, all right?
You too.
Sounds good. Send me that footage. Oh my God, the highway. This is my favorite thing to do on the CRF250L. Yay! I love this. That's right, we stay in the slow lane on this bike. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I know it's like super random, not a lot of commentary going on, but yeah, pretty much just meeting up with my buddy, totally on a whim. He called me while I was still working and was like, yo, let's meet up. And I'm like, 2 minutes later, we're left out the door. So fun, I love doing stuff completely on a whim, completely sporadic, randomly. Definitely more riding to come with Brandon too. So if you guys want to see Ninja 400 content, he has tons that we can show you with that. So stay tuned. Definitely a lot more videos coming this summer. Tell you what, this headlight sucks ass. This is the high beams. This is low beam. You literally can't see shit. Yo guys, so we ended up making it back all right. 250L did a great job today. She just, you know, putted along on the highway, but also ripped some nice little wheelies. Got to show Brandon what's up. Yeah, super sick time. Thank you for watching. I will catch you next time. Peace.